Hello, nice to see you here. Do you want to improve sleep quality? Feel more recharged and more productive in your day? In this video I will give you 5 tips and tricks how to get more out of your hours in bed. It's time to improve your sleep. Let's go! As Arnold Schwarzenegger said, sleep a little faster. Yeah, the thought behind this sentence is you need to improve your sleep quality to get more out of your sleep. Number 1. Coffee consumption. Don't consume coffee less than 6 hours before bedtime. It can ruin your sleep quality. You wake up and all of your sleep cycles gone. If you want to feel better, use coffee in moderation. Okay guys, let's go. Number 2. Expose yourself to the daylight, especially sunlight. When you are exposing yourself to the daylight and sun, it produces happiness hormone serotonin. If you have a lot of serotonin in your body, it results in better melatonin production in the evening. That makes better sleep quality. Try to make yourself a good schedule, like you're waking up and going to bed in the same time, like every day. Also in weekends, don't forget about them. It will help you to increase sleep quality. When you make that schedule, your body is easier to adjust to any kind of stresses in the day. If you have hard time to fall asleep, you can use binaural beats. Just put headphones on, it can create that delta waves in your brains. Delta waves occurs when you are in the deep sleep, when you are dreamless state. You can use one of these options. Yeah, just put them on and listen for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes you'll feel tired and it will be easier to fall asleep. About binaural beats. It's a whole separate life hack. You can watch it about in this video. Number 3. What you're doing in the evening. You are scrolling Instagram, Facebook, watching some movies, TV. Screens everywhere. When you're using your phone in late night hour, like scrolling Instagram, screen produce white light. White light? No, blue light. It's produced blue light and yeah, it keeps you up because your body thinks it's day. It stops all melatonin factory in pineal gland. Melatonin is produced when the sun is going down. It helps you to relax and just sleep better. To get better sleep, just turn off those screens. Put your phone down, close your computer, pick up your book and start to read. Read books, yeah? I know that you won't listen to me. Actually, I really know. It's hard to put your phone down in the evening. Actually, there's a solution. For Apple products there's that night shift, for Android products there's that twilight, and for PCs there is that F-Lux. Just turn on that blue light reducer and you will feel the difference. Guys, but put your phones down. Use the screens less, okay? Number 4. Make yourself perfect environment. To sleep best, reduce light and sound that is getting in your room. For reducing light you can use something like this. Okay, like a loop at this. Like this is my happy hour, this is mine. Yeah, and reducing sound you can use earplugs. But if you don't have earplugs like I do, you can use other life hacks. Studies show that white noise or fun running background can help you to sleep better. There's a couple good options that you can choose from. Get yourself some fun or even a rain noise for better sleep. But you can use also one of these options, any kind of calming music like good frequencies, also pretty good. But also temperature in your room is really important. It needs to be something like this, cooler than average. Number 5. Comfort is the key. Get yourself comfortable bed and also make yourself some before bedtime ritual. I read books or just make a meditation. It helps me to relax, get rid of all the thoughts that was in the day and just calm myself and go to sleep. Actually, there's also apps for sleep quality tracking. For example, Sleep Cycle, it's really good. It tracks your sleep and also wake up you when it's right moment, when you feel amazing after the sleep. You can also use melatonin supplements when you feel that you are tired but still tired and you need to go to sleep but you can't fall asleep. Just try, it will definitely help you to get better sleep and faster get in that sleep state. Another really good life hack is when you're going to bed, just lay down and don't think about anything. Just fall in that thoughtless, dreamless state. And then you will fall into sleep faster. That's all about sleep for this time. Press that like button if this video was beneficial for you. Subscribe to get more life hacks, improvements that help you to boost your productivity. Oh yeah, actually watch other videos from me, for example that binaural beats video that I had mentioned in this video. Sleep well guys, and I will see you in next video.